Hello everyone. Welcome back to this video session. I am Manav Ghosh, and in this video I will show you how to shop on Amazon. So as you can see that I have connected my laptop with an active internet connection. So now we will have to go to our web browser. So for this tutorial I am using Google Chrome. So I will double click on Google Chrome, and now we will have to search for Amazon. So I'm typing amazon.in. So this is the home page of Amazon. So now the first thing we have to do is we have to create our account in order to shop from this site. Okay. So now in the top right corner, when we move our cursor, your account, we have to click on start here. Okay. Next to the new customer. So we will have to click here. Now Amazon will ask us for some basic informations like our name, our phone number, our email ID, and then we have to choose a strong password for our account. And once entering all our informations, we have to click on continue. Since I have already created my account, so I will click on sign in. So now I have to sign in. So I have to enter my phone number and click on continue, and now I have to enter my password and we have to click on login. So now we can search for the specific item by typing the name in the search box. So for example, if we want to buy one headphone, right? So then we have to type headphone here. Then we have to click here on this search icon. So now Amazon will offer us varieties of options, right? So you can choose from this search results. We can also filter our search results by checking these boxes. Like if we want to choose the brand, then we can check these boxes. When we find the product we want, we have to click on it. For example, I want to buy this product. Okay, then I have to click here. So now we can see more details of this product. We can see the price, we can see the features, we can see the customer reviews. So after reading all the information and reviews by the previous customers, we can add this item to the cart. So we have to click on this add to cart. Now the item added to my virtual shopping cart. So in this way we can continue and add more items to the cart. So now we have to click on proceed to buy if we don't want to search for more items. Then we have to click on proceed to buy. Okay, so now we have to enter our shipping address. Here you can see for the first, if you are using this site for the first time, then you have to enter your shipping address where you want to get the product. Since I have already added my shipping address, I will click on deliver to this address. Okay, so now after clicking on deliver to this address, we have to click on continue. Now we have to choose the payment option. So we can pay with our credit card, debit card, or we can pay directly from our bank account by clicking on by selecting this net banking option, or we can use other UPI apps also, UPI ID also. So we can choose any one of these options, or we can choose this one, that is pay on delivery. So I am selecting this one, pay on delivery, and then I have to click on continue. So now the complete order summary has been generated. So now we can see the order details here, and after checking the order summary, we have to click on place your order. So now our order has been placed. So in this way we can shop from shop any item from Amazon. Okay, so the process is similar with other e-commerce sites also, like Flipkart, Mantra, Snapdeal. The process is same. And now I will show how to cancel this order. So if you want to cancel your order, placed order, then you have to click here on review or edit your orders, or you can click here, then you have to go, you have to select your orders. So this is the last order which I have placed. So from here we can track the package to see the status of our order, or we can cancel the order. So to cancel the order, we have to click on this cancel items. Now I have to select one cancellation reason from here. So I am selecting order created by mistake. Then I have to click on cancel selected items in this order. The order has been cancelled. So in this way you can place a order and you can also cancel the order.
Okay, so now we will use mobile applications to buy or to place an order. So we have Amazon and Flipkart applications, mobile applications installed in my device. So I will try Flipkart this time. So I will simply click on Flipkart, then it will come like this. Here we can scroll various products, then we can search for our products here. For example, I want to buy a book, computer science. You can simply type the name of the book and click on search. Once we click on search, it is giving me various suggestions or results. So these are the books available. So we can simply choose any one of these. So I'm selecting this one, computer science with Python for class 12 by Priti Arora. So this is the price of this book. So if you want to buy this book, we have the option to buy, or if you want to check the details of the book, you can scroll it down. We can check the reviews here. So it has the rating of 4.2 star. So in this way we can check the ratings as well as check the customer reviews. So after checking all the reviews, if you are satisfied, then we can click on add to cart. So I'm clicking add to cart. So now it is asking my pin code. So I will give my pin code to check whether it is available in my pin code or not. So no seller ships to this pin code. So you can use different pin code or different area. So I'm choosing this time my nearest city, that is Kokrajhar. So from here we can click on add to cart. So now this item has been added to my cart. We can now click on buy now. Once we click on buy now, now this order summary will come. Now it is asking me to add the address. So I don't want to change anything. I have already added my address, so I will click on continue. The price of the book is $5.95 and it is charging some uh, delivery cost. So these are the accounts. We can choose the payment option from here. So I will choose cash on delivery. Then I will click on place order. So now it is for the authentication. It is giving me any one captcha. So I will click that captcha to confirm order. So it will take some time. Now my order has been placed. So this is how we can use our mobile application to place an order.
So thank you for watching this video. So now please pause the video and try to solve these questions. Thank you.